As Halloween was near, Jay and his father were decorating the front porch with a scarecrow, spiders in the corner, and paper beds hanging from the ceiling. They carved the jack-o'-lantern, put it on a table next to a big scary bowl of candy. But his mom and dad told him that he could only have one piece of candy each day. Jay was not happy. The next morning, Jay wakes up and remembers the candy. He puts on his backpack and gets ready to go to school. As he walks out the door, he grabs a big handful of candy and runs to school. When he comes home, something is different. The jack-o'-lantern is different. The eyes are a little scarier and the teeth a little sharper. The next morning, while going to school, Jay takes another big handful of candy and runs to school. When he comes back, the jack-o'-lantern is even scarier. The eyes are scarier and the teeth are sharper than before. That night, Jay hears a voice from outside.
Too much candy?
He gets out of his bed and walks down the stairs.
Too much candy? Too much candy?
Jack walks around the corner and finds that there is nothing there.
Too much candy?
Jay slowly turns around and a big jack-o'-lantern, scarier than ever, comes towards him.
Too much candy?
But from that day, Jay never ate too much candy.